One thing a building needs to be above all else is watertight. All architectural materials are connected with a waterproofing system, and these systems break down over time and need to be replaced. Most waterproofing methods require replacements every 3 to 7 years. Presto's waterproofing methods can last 10 to 20 years or more. Presto Restoration has been performing building envelope waterproofing restoration for multi-story buildings for over 25 years. Here, we'll introduce the specialized services that we offer. Proper caulking is essential for sealing joints and seams in a building's exterior. We specialize in caulking control joints, wet glazing, and sealing window perimeters to prevent water infiltration and to ensure durability. Our techniques and materials are chosen for their longevity, ensuring your building remains watertight for decades. We provide various exterior coatings and painting services, including elastomeric, acrylic, epoxy, and Kynar coatings. Our coatings protect buildings from the elements, providing a durable and attractive finish that enhances the building's aesthetic and structural integrity. Whether you need a fresh coat of paint or a specialized protective coating, we have the expertise to deliver exceptional results. Parking structures face unique challenges due to constant exposure to vehicles and the elements. We offer comprehensive services to maintain and restore parking structures, including applying protective coatings, caulking, striping, and repairing expansion joints. Our solutions help extend the life of your parking facility and ensure it remains safe and functional. Proper maintenance of masonry is vital for the structural integrity and appearance of your building. At Presto Restoration, we specialize in repairing mortar and brick, block, and natural stone through a process known as tuckpointing. Tuckpointing not only restores the original look of your masonry, but also reinforces the structure, preventing water infiltration and subsequent damage. A robust roofing system is crucial for any building. We provide roofing services ranging from installing new roofs to applying silicone roof coatings. Our silicone roofs offer superior weather resistance, UV protection, and energy efficiency, making them an excellent choice for long-term performance. Trust us to keep your building's roof in top condition. We also specialize in restoring glass, metal, and stone surfaces using our Presto Restoration chemical product line. Our restoration services remove stains, corrosion, and weathering, bringing back the original beauty of your building's materials. This improves the appearance while extending the life of these surfaces, reducing the need for costly restoration services. Presto Restoration is unique in its approach compared to our competitors. We are a nationwide company, and our team is dedicated to delivering high-quality, long-lasting results. Should you require any of our services, give us a call and start working with a professional team committed to excellence.